We had a very special adventure when we received permission to travel on the Uruguayan supply ship Vanguardia from Artigas base to the secondary base on the peninsula at ECARE, where we learned about the challenges of supplying 2 Antarctic bases and observed some of the most beautiful scenery of the entire trip.
A su vez, el barco, al ser construido en Polonia y ser un buque que ha operado normalmente en aguas del mar Báltico, cuenta con una capacidad de navegar entre hielos limitada a un espesor de no más de 1 metro, lo cual lo hace idóneo para la navegación en las zonas en las cuales opera la Armada Nacional para el trabajo con el Instituto Antártico Uruguayo en el abastecimiento de ambas bases.
You take a Zodiac out to the ship, which can be dangerous because when you put on the life jacket, they tell you that the water temperature is 34 degrees, so the jacket is only there to pull you out. You would die in 2 minutes unprotected in these frigid waters. We toured the bridge with modern GPS and radar detectors for icebergs, along with emergency navigation, sonar, and advanced weather equipment. They use Inmarsat and fax, constantly receiving satellite signals for maintaining contact with the outside world.
A mi espalda tenemos un equipo de VHF para comunicaciones entre las bases que se encuentran en la zona y un anemómetro, que es un equipo que se utiliza para medir la velocidad y dirección del viento y la temperatura dentro y fuera del buque. A su vez hay un equipo de VHF de procedencia rusa, un ITRA, que se encuentra en servicio precario, pero que es utilizado de la misma forma que el anterior.
The crew is on Antarctic duty for 2 months and receive extra pay for going there. It takes 2 weeks to sail from Montevideo to Artigas, and another 12 hours from Artigas to ECARE, Uruguay's secondary research station, where one project is to study glaciers. Some icebergs look like sculptures on the water, and some look like long sheets. The blue ice is the oldest, and some of the icebergs have been here for hundreds of years. It's not easy to navigate through the seas with these solid walls of ice, and it takes the commander's full attention with radar and line of sight for most of the trip. At 63 degrees south, roughly the same as Fairbanks, Alaska is in the north, it never gets totally dark in summer, and the colors of the sky and the water are amazing, and stepping on the Antarctic continent was something unforgettable. The 2 bases on the Trinity Peninsula are Argentina's Esperanza base and Uruguay's ECARE secondary base. Esperanza has had over 12 babies born there since 1978. And like the Chilean base on King George, families live there full-time, with a church, school, and even a museum. Some of Esperanza's scientific work includes a joint project with the United States on earth tides, a joint seismography project with Italy, and both Esperanza and ECARE work together on glacial discoveries in the region. It is also where a Swedish expedition became shipwrecked in 1903 and built this stone hut to survive the Antarctic winter until another ship arrived the next year to save them. This is an example of the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the early Antarctic pioneers, and the same hazards exist today. This was truly a highlight of our Antarctica trip, to travel on the ROU Vanguardia and have access to such an incredible place.